it is coming up here. So now what I want to do is, now we have connected by using the OBS Studio. Yeah, it takes 10 seconds, I think, lag. If we can end the stream, and if we so we can end the stream right now here, and then we can stream by using FFmpeg if you want, but yeah, the main objective is so RTMP is actually the initial protocol which was used for communication. So that is why we choose the RTMP, is because it is more versatile, right now supported by most of the players, and then there are like further like more advanced protocols, but there is one SRT protocol, but this is the standard protocol, which is the TCP based protocol, which is connection oriented. So it establishes the connection, and once the connection is established, it keeps sending the data. And because it is a separate protocol, there are the routers are able to stream it, give it more priority as well. So that is why the RTMP has some advantage for using the low latency live streaming, but that is one of the way. I think there are like we can choose other protocols as well. We are going to use the HLS and Dash later, but the RTMP is common. So for YouTube we will have to use RTMP. It allows, I think, other protocol, but yeah. Yeah, maybe we can try this command to stream to the server. Same thing what we are doing here, we want to just stream to the server, and yeah. So maybe let me just explain what I am trying to do here. So this is the FFmpeg command, and I am telling it to stream a video. So this is the file which I want to stream. I can do that. Like I just give the name of file which I want to stream, and then I tell, okay, this is my encoding. So because we did same thing, like we use H264 codec there, so we are using same thing here. And here you can see C minus C means the codec, V means for the video codec, and then we are using preset very fast. You saw that there were like options for the presets, and then we are choosing video bit rate, which is like 3 megabits megabits per second, which is pretty high. We may want to choose lower, and then yeah, we are setting it fixed 3 megabits per second almost. We are setting the average. The first one is average. This is like maximum bitrate. So we are doing here like CBR encoding, constant bitrate encoding, and we are providing the buffer size. We there is option here in the OBS Studio also to specify the buffer. So larger this buffer, we can get the better quality, but it causes the latency to suffer. So we need to allow like more longer buffering time for this to buffer, and then our video will be we will play better. Minus G is telling that after every 50 seconds, sorry, every 50 frames, there is iframe. Like we saw, there are iframe, B frame, preframes. So after every 50 frames, there is iframe. And then minus C, codec AAC. So any guess what does it mean?
Isn't that the audio encoding?
Yeah, because it is it tells that it is audio codec, and AAC is the audio codec, and then it is telling it is 128 kilobits per second, and then it is saying that sampling rate is this, and minus F is FLV is the format. Yeah, and then it is now here, this is the important point for streaming. We need to tell it where is our server. So this is the server which we want, and then this is what we can copy. Actually, we go to the YouTube, we can just copy this part, and whatever key we get from there, it gives us the key. So we copy paste this key here, and then our streaming should work. So let us try if this can work from my command line terminal. So let's check. So what we want is like when we do project, maybe we will try to do different ways. Maybe we want to try streaming the 4K video, or we want to try HDR video instead of the regular videos, or if we want to try different codecs to make it more optimized with higher quality. So those things we are going to try. So I would like you to definitely try doing this. Okay, I don't know whether this will work or not. Okay, I should copy the other one. And we want to know what is our streaming. Our OBS Studio is still streaming. We will stop that.